Oh my God, you are stuck out there. Somebody help. Please, somebody help. Hang on, just stay right there. I am trying to find someone to help you. It's okay, I'm coming, hold on. Please, just stay where you are. I am almost there. I promise everything will be just fine. Just stay calm now. Help, please. Don't let go. I am trying to keep us steady in this water. Just hold on tight and do not let go of me now.
Grab my hand, now. I have got you. Just reach up and hold on to my arm so I can pull you both out of the water. You are safe now. Everything is going to be okay.